What are examples of moral absolutism? Have you ever wondered if there are actions that are always right or always wrong, no matter the situation? This idea is known as moral absolutism. It suggests that certain moral principles apply universally, regardless of context. Let's break this down with some clear examples. First, consider lying. Many people believe that lying is always wrong. A moral absolutist would argue that even if a lie could protect someone from harm, it is still morally unacceptable. This stance emphasizes the importance of honesty above all else. Next, we have the concept of killing. For some, the belief is that killing is always wrong. This perspective holds true even in extreme situations like self-defense or war. A moral absolutist would maintain that taking a life is never justified, highlighting the sanctity of life itself. Another example comes from the philosophy of Immanuel Kant. He argued that truthfulness is a moral obligation that should never be compromised. Kant believed that even if lying could save an innocent person from a murderer, it remains morally wrong. His view illustrates how strict moral rules can guide behavior, regardless of the consequences. Moral absolutism also finds its way into practical applications. In legal systems, certain actions are considered inherently illegal. For instance, theft is wrong, no matter the circumstances surrounding it. This reflects a moral absolutist approach within the law. On a personal level, individuals may adopt strict moral codes in their lives. These codes guide decisions and actions, often leading to a clear sense of right and wrong. Cultural and religious beliefs frequently embody moral absolutist principles as well. Many traditions hold that specific actions are right or wrong based on divine commands or teachings passed down through generations. However, moral absolutism is not without its challenges. Critics argue that it can lead to outcomes that seem counterintuitive. For example, if following a strict moral rule causes harm, it might conflict with common moral sense. This rigidity can overlook the complexities of real-life situations, where context and intention play important roles in moral judgments. In summary, moral absolutism presents a clear framework for understanding right and wrong. Through examples like lying, killing, and the teachings of Immanuel Kant, we see how this philosophy shapes ethical thinking and decision-making in various areas of life.